My dog stepped on a bee.
Me voy a matar, dime el último wii.
My dog stepped on a bee.
Oh, no.
My dad has to pee.
My mom's stuck in a tree.
My squirrel got bit by a flea.
Without my glasses, I cannot see.
My dog stepped on a bee.
And now you're telling lies about me. Stop worrying about World War III.
I want to break free.
My dog stepped on a bee.
Objection relevant.
If you don't know me, I'm that bee. Broke my neck cause I'm a dog stepped on me. I really thought I would let this fly. In the court about to testify. We know you lied about the makeup palette. Chop cigarettes with a sharp mallet. You pooped in the bed, not a tear was shed. You should really work on your acting talent. You got no fire. Now you're getting murdered on A. It's not up on live TV. The first person to
You asked a question.
My dog stepped on a bee.
My child spilled my tea.
Oh, no.
Adulting isn't free.
No.
I want to learn Tai Chi.
I ran out of coffee and had to make myself some tea.
This isn't gluten-free.
My gas tank is on E.
It really burns when I pee.
I no longer play the genie.
My dog stepped on a bee. My dog stepped on a bee.
Objection relevant.
My dog stepped on a bee.
Me voy a matar, dime el último wii.
Subscribe, motherfucker.